Industrial growth came at a carbon cost. Now we must rebuild them by transforming it. For decades, carbon has been treated as a liability, captured at high cost, stored underground, or released into the sky. Emissions rising from the very sectors that power modern life. Hard to abate, harder to ignore. But what if carbon was never the enemy? What if it was simply misused potential? This is where Intrinsic Foundries begins. Founded in 2023, Intrinsic Foundries is pioneering a carbon-to-value biomanufacturing platform that converts industrial emissions, effluents, and residues into premium biochemicals. Using automated modular microbial biomanufacturing platform, the company captures CO₂ and transforms it into high-value products, pigments, proteins, specialty lipids, omega-3s, the very ingredients found in pharmaceuticals, nutraceuticals, and cosmetics. Backed by 12 crore rupees in seed funding, led by Transition YC, Intrinsic is deploying industrial pilots, expanding its patent portfolio, and commissioning its first one-tonne-per-day commercial plant. Intrinsic Foundries is redefining carbon economics, not burying emissions, but upgrading them, not treating decarbonization as compliance, but as opportunity. In a world racing toward net zero by 2070, the future will not belong to those who hide carbon, it will belong to those who convert it.